Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, we'll discuss how to publish a draft Sandbox preset, how to edit presets, and how to use the preset on an Instruqt track. In the previous video, we created a Sandbox template and saved it as a draft. Let's publish that preset so that we can make use of it. First, we'll go to play.instruqt.com. Click Team Settings and then Sandbox Presets. Click the Drafts tab, and we see all the current Sandbox preset draft versions. There are two ways to publish. Either click Publish on the chosen draft, or click on the draft and then Save and Publish on the next page. Instruqt gives you the option to enter a commit message. Commit messages are used to track and describe changes over time. Since this is our first template, we'll leave this blank. Click Yes, Publish. Keep in mind that once a draft is published, all tracks using the preset will be updated to use the latest published version, and all shared hot start pools will be drained and provisioned with the new published version. Next, let's discuss how to edit a preset. Again, from the Sandbox Presets page, under the Publish tab, click Edit on the preset you'd like to make changes to. On this page, you can make any changes you'd like to this preset. Then choose to either save as a draft if it's not ready for use, or save and publish if it's ready to go. Don't forget to enter a commit message to inform your team of the changes you've made. Click Yes, Publish, and you'll see the preset is updated in the Publish tab. Finally, let's use our preset on a track. Let's return to our content page and select the track we'd like to configure. Under Manage Track, select Configure Sandbox. Click on Use Preset, and a warning message will appear. Let's click Proceed and Discard Edits. Here we see a list of all available presets. Let's select our preset and click Use Selected Preset. Well done! For more information about Sandbox templates, visit our documentation page.